everyone, this is Yein from Craftiviti. I want to talk to you about essential oils. A lot of people are coming in for essential oils, and a lot of people are coming in because of the coronavirus, and they think that essential oils can actually help them, protect them against the coronavirus. A lot of news out there is happening, a lot of gossip, so I just want to set things straight. Essential oils are beautiful, are wonderful, are very beneficial for you, but nobody knows the effects of it against the coronavirus. So if you're buying the essential oil, please make this informed decision. Essential oils can help sanitize your space, sanitize your air, clean your air. It can help to, like tea tree oil, clove bud, it can help to clear and disinfect. But if you're thinking that it could help coronavirus, well, I hate to burst your bubble, but we don't know yet. One thing's for sure, the use of essential oils may not be able to prevent you from cold or flu, but it can help alleviate flu symptoms. So let's imagine you already have a flu. I hope you don't, but imagine you already have a flu. Breathing in essential oils or using it on you will help to alleviate symptoms of flu. Like it will help ease your breathing or help you clear your nasal passage, things like that essential oils can do. But in terms of being able to stop a virus like coronavirus, that is something that has yet been researched upon. So when you buy essential oils, know exactly what you're buying it for. In terms of flu season, the oils that are really good, and I have a list here, and I'm going to read it out. Lemon is really good to clear your nasal passages and allow for steady breathing. Lavender is great to de-stress, to relieve fatigue, and then to help you sleep, because when you don't have enough sleep, you suffer from low immune system. Peppermint is really good to reduce coughs, sinuses, and throat infections. Eucalyptus helps to fight certain viruses, but not all viruses. Tea tree oil is great against bacteria and infections. Chamomile helps to relieve the symptoms of cold and flu, but it doesn't help prevent it. Clove bud has antiviral and antifungal properties to clean surfaces or clean the air. So it's a really great essential oil for diffusing in the air. And rosemary has a non-toxic way to clean surfaces and air as well. So the one thing about essential oils is it can help alleviate symptoms of flu. It will not help cure. It helps relieve the symptoms. It will not also prevent. The only way, as with every doctor that is saying it, the only way you can protect yourself against a virus like coronavirus is to keep your hands clean and boost your immune system, like take lots of vitamin C's, keep yourself very clean, sleep well, hydrate well. And that's all we can do for now. And I hope this helps you somehow clear the air about essential oils being like the mother superpower against viruses. Thank you guys. Happy crafting.